Hello store owners, I hope you're doing great this week. I have a question here from one of the users on YouTube. It's really a specific question, but what I will do is I will take that question and mix it a little bit around so we can apply it to a wider audience. Let's go ahead with the question. Joel here asked me if on the add to cart button on a page, on a product page, if we can actually change the link or add a link that will come from the product tags. So that is really specific. What I want to do instead is show you how to take any tag information from a product and show it on the product page. Maybe it's a small information you want to give on specific products. Maybe in Joel case you want to add a link or change the link from for the add to cart button or create a new button. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, so in this scenario, let's assume that I want to let customer know that this specific product will only ship in 14 days. So I would like to add it maybe near the price or near the add to cart button. First step, go into your product, go into your admin panel, the product you want, and let's add a new tag. Make sure the tag is unique, and let's use a specific identification or variable just in front. I will use info 2 points in this case. This product will ship in 14 days. So let's add this tag. I prefer to leave no space after the 2 points. It's just easier. You can put a space or no space, but my preference is leave no space there. So let's add the tag. Let's save it. Now what we have to do is look in our product template page where we have the add to cart button. So let's go back here. Let's leave that open. Let's open a new page here. Themes. Click on the 3 dots and then edit HTML CSS. And look in templates for product that liquid. Let's go back to our page and see the add to cart. Let's inspect the add to cart. Here the add to cart has an ID of add to cart, so that's easy. Let's copy that, and in our code here, let's do a search for add to cart, and this is my form. Okay, that's my form, and I should have the button is right here. Okay. As I said in previous videos, if your add to cart button or the information you're looking for, it's not on the product page, which is normal, look for anything that says include. What include does is it's including another template. Most of the time from the snippets category, it will include that into your product template page. So don't worry if you don't find it here, the add to cart, the element that you were looking for, it may be on a separate page. So do a search for that and look for what it's with included. Most of the time it's included something like product grid, product price, product form, everything like that, but don't be scared if you don't find it right away. In my case, I found it here, and this is not part of the template. This is part of another video I did. Unless the tags has a no-show in it, don't show it. So this product doesn't have that tag. Let's go back to the product. Doesn't have that tag. We only have the info. What we want to do, just for a test, just above the button, let's show the tags. So if I do this, save, go back here, refresh. Okay, see, this is the tag that I have. You can always leave it like this, but most of the time it doesn't make sense to leave it just like that, because you may have multiple tags in here. So let's see, here I have GoPro, I have black, let's save it. So if I refresh here, I will have all the tags, which is not what I want. And on top of that, I only want this part to show. So what we're gonna do is go back to the code here, and we're gonna do it differently. We're gonna look for the specific info that we added. So we're gonna do for tag in product tags, and let's close it right now, and for. So what it does, it's gonna look for all the tags that I have in the product tags. So in this case, it's gonna run it 3 times because I have 3 tags. So it's gonna look for all of those 3 tags. And you can see that again, just if I do tag, it should show me the tag I have, because I'm looking for each tag in product tags and I'm asking him each time to show me the tag. So if I refresh, it does exactly the same thing, which is normal. What we want to do is we want to add a condition. So condition is if tag contains info 2 points. That's what we added in the tag that we're looking to have. Sorry, I forgot the if. If tag contains 2 points, let's close it right away. And if it contains that, then only then I want to show the tag. So now if we save it, so this works, but we're not there yet. We still need to remove the info. And the quick way to remove the info is inside your tag, put a bar, remove 2 points, and exactly the same tag as you're using. Please make sure that if you put a space, you're gonna put it again the space, because for Shopify the tags are case sensitive. So if it has a capital, if it has a space, it's completely different from if it didn't. So let's save this. And voila. So now we have the specific tag that we want for this product. If I want to do again another tag for another product with info, I can do it and it's gonna show it for that specific product only. So that's the simplest way to do it. Let's just pause for a minute and see how we can modify the link of the add to cart to answer Joel's question. So for Joel's question, let's create a new tag. Let's call it link, that we're gonna use to show a new button. So let's go back to our product, add a new tag, link. BMW, let's point it to Google, and that should be fine. Okay, so let's go back into our code. Really important also, what I forgot to mention is make sure you use comments, especially if you do a lot of modification. Like in this case over here. So for you or for other people that will play into your code, it's going to be easier for them to understand. So we can use tag like this, comment, and say what are we doing. Show specific tag if found, if it exists. And then you have to end the comment, something like that. So what we want to do now is take the same thing here. We want to look if, let's copy. We want to look again in product tags if my tag contains link. If you have multiple tags, you can always add them in the same for, but let's just for the purpose of this video just create a new one. So 4 tags in product tags. I'm looking for all the tags in my product tags, and I want to look for link. And then I'll have this and link. What I want to do also is, if the tag contains link, I want to assign a new variable. Assign, let's call it link. Yes, let's do it like that. I want to assign a link equal tag. Then we can remove this one here. And what I want to do is, if the link exists, I want to not show the button and show my button that I want to have with the link. So what we're gonna do is put a if. So if link, which will see if it's true, if the link exists, it will do this. If it doesn't exist, it will do something else, which the something else in this case will be showing the regular add to cart button. So let's end this, and if. So if we have the link, if it exists, let's create a simple ref link. I will put target blank in this case because I'm assuming you want to open a new page, which will make sense. So don't forget to close this, and let's go to link. Okay, so that should work. Let's just save it. But it doesn't. Let's go back. Okay, if link. Did we save it? I think we didn't save it. So let's save. Let's refresh. Okay, good. So we have it here. Small issue here. Let's just put it on another. Oh, let's just leave it there. Anyways, you can always space it out. Maybe just put a paragraph before, just so we make sure we have a new line. So the go-to link, it's there. Right now it doesn't point to nowhere because we didn't set it up, but it's there. So that's great. Let's just add the link. So the link, don't forget the link, it's contained in the tag with link. So as before, we need to remove link 2 points and just show the rest. So we're gonna do exactly the same thing here in the ref where the link points to. What I want to do is exactly what we had above, but okay, because now the tag, we made it, it's assigned to link. So link, it's exactly the same thing as the tag. So let's use link. If, see here, link, if we just put link, it's gonna show us everything. Now, if I click on it, it will try to go to link 2 points, which doesn't make any sense. Let's go back and do the same thing as we did above. Bar, remove, link 2 points. Don't forget to close it and save. Let's refresh. And now we will go to the right link. So that works. Let me just go back. Let me create a new page here. Okay, let's go to another product. Not this. Okay, see, in this case the add to cart, it's still there because it's another product. It's not exactly the same as this one, because on this one I have the link. Because I have the link, don't forget in the code we put it that if we have the link, we show our specific link that we have. If we don't have the link, then we show the button. So that's that. I hope it was clear enough. I know it's not maybe the easiest thing to do and to follow. Show specific link if it exists. Obviously you will want to how may I say, to style it, to maybe make it a little bit nicer. You can leave it like that. You can try to maybe take exactly the same class as the add to cart. Let's see here, class. I can copy that, add it here, class, save it, and let's see. And voila. So this is really nice. I hope it answered your question, Joel. For the others, let me know if you have any questions, any comments. Please use the comments below the videos to ask me any question. As usual, in the description of this video, you can find my Skype, you can find my email, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can always reach me out, no problem. I will answer your questions with pleasure. And really, really important, please subscribe. I'm releasing this kind of videos each week, so like that you will not gonna miss out on new content that comes out. Thank you for listening and have a good day.